So we're all done with this beautiful car. Doing the final steps, final touches. So this took a basic package, but we see this customer all the time. So we went ahead and just wipe everything down for them. That's what we always do for them. And came out amazing, guys. Check it out. So we wipe down the doors. Everything's clean right down. Fully vacuumed inside. We wipe down the back with a trunk area. Rims and tires fully cleaned and detailed. This car had major bugs on it. Major bugs. That was the thing we had challenge with, bugs. But they had no chance. Bugs had no chance. We went in there and did what we had to do. Everything got fully wiped down, fully cleaned. Like I said, this customer of mine, they come here like every month or a month and a half. And we're here at the Hard Rock. As you can see, everything's fully wiped down, cleaned. Back to normal. We right there. We outside, baby. Let's go.